Yummy local food. This is crablet, chicharong bulaklak, dilis, and then shrimp. And we got toknenen, pasta with potato, bake map, carbonara, wow, lasagna, cream cheese, everything looks good. And then they have pizza. Diba? So this side, meron silang juice, fresh juice, avocado, pepino, super K. What do we have here? Oh, ano to, miss?
Hungarian sausage.
Hungarian sausage. Oh, wow. Ito yung masarap. Oh, di ba? Kaso kakakain ko lang. So, mamaya na tayo kakain ulit. Empanada. Oh, di ba? Tapos ito, nachos. Ah, grabe. Parang ayaw ko na umuwi ng bahay.